Sean. We hope you're having a good time. You know, your old daddy used to be one of the biggest rock stars in the world. But when you came along, I had to break up the band.
Anyway, John, I think you broke up the band when I came along.
Ah, right, Mother.
Sean, the day you were born, you were the greatest gift we could ever have. In fact, your name, Sean, in Ireland means gift from God, and you have been the greatest gift we could ever have.
Yeah, but we need you to hurry home, because we need a drummer, and Ringo's too old. Peace and love, man.
We love you, Sean. Just some great memories from when you were a little baby. Have a great trip. Love, Mom and Dad.
Darling Sean.